welcome to E-Class. Myself, Smita teacher. Students, can you tell me what is the meaning of ascending and descending order? Did you remember? Last year we have learnt it. Did you remember? In previous video, in short, I have explained it. Okay, I will explain it in detail. What is meant by ascending and descending order? Suppose these are the stairs. Okay, and one boy wanted to climb up the stairs. Then can he jump directly here? No, he can't jump. Then how? He has to first climb up this first stair, right? Then second, how he has to climb up this first step. Then second, in this way, he has to climb up these 6 stairs. Okay. Then when he will climb up the stairs from 1 to 6, he is first climbing up first, then second, then third. That means he is climbing up first smallest number stair of smallest number, then 3, 4, 5, and then he will reach here, that is the biggest number, right? So climbing up, that is called as ascending order. It is called as climbing up. What is meant by climbing up? 1 to 6, that means smaller to bigger. Okay, S shows smaller, B shows bigger. When we go from smaller number to bigger number, that is called as ascending order. Okay. Now this boy wanted to come down. How he will come? Same stairs are there. Okay. See, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now he wanted to come down. Then first he has to leave this 6 stair. Then 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1. Then he will come on the ground. Downside he will come. That means climbing down. It is called as climbing down. It means from 6 to 1 he is leaving the stair. 6 is bigger number and 1 is smaller number. Then from bigger to smaller, he is moving from bigger to smaller. It is called as descending order. It is called as descending order. Okay. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger, and descending order means from bigger to smaller. Okay. So we will see the example. Let's open your maths textbook, page number 15. Ascending and descending order. First example. Cupboard of several different companies are on sale in a shop. The price of one is rupees 4,750, while that of another is rupees 6,200, and of a third is rupees 3,980, right? In this example, the prices of 3 cupboards are given. Okay, and you have to arrange these prices in ascending and descending order. Okay, but here you can see one symbol. Okay, this symbol we have learnt it last year where to use. This is less than. This symbol shows less than, and this symbol is used when a number is greater than. Less than and greater than. Okay. So what is our example? Cupboards of several different companies are on sale in a shop. 3 cupboards are there in a shop for sale. So these are the prices of 3 cupboards. Which is the costliest cupboard? Costliest means the cupboard which has more price, more cost. That is called as costliest, and that is, it will be the bigger number. So it is the costliest cupboard price, and this is the bigger number. And the cupboard which is cheapest in price, that means very less in price, that is called as cheapest. It is smaller number. Okay. Now what is meant by ascending order? Ascending order means arrange these prices from smaller to bigger. Okay. What is meant by ascending order? Smaller to bigger. So which is the smaller number here? This one, 3980. It is smaller number, so I have to use this symbol. See here, I am explaining how to use this symbol. Last year I have explained it. Now see. Okay, where here one end. In this symbol here one end and here two ends are there. Then which is the bigger number? This 2 is bigger number, so 2 ends towards bigger number and one end towards smaller number. Another way, see here space. If you will make your finger in same shape, see here space, here more space, more place, so this side we have to write bigger number and this side we have to write smaller number. How? Suppose, see here 2 dots I have taken and here 1 dot. See these 2 dots and here 1 dot. That means it need more place. See here, 2 ends towards bigger number, 1 end towards smaller number. In this way you have to keep in mind, it is one of the trick to understand the use of this symbol. Okay, it is called as smaller than or lesser than, also you can say it is smaller than. Then after this number, which is the middle one, this one, 4750 is also smaller than 6200. It is called as ascending order. Okay, now what is meant by descending order? Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay, now it is the bigger number, right? Biggest it is. So our symbol will be exactly opposite. This is biggest number, so this 2 ends towards biggest number and this 1 end towards smallest number, smaller number, and then here smallest number. Did you understand? In this way we have to solve the exercise. Okay, see exercise from same page. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. Here 6 numbers are given. Okay, any 2 numbers I will explain on the blackboard and you have to make the table. It is so difficult to write each example separately. Okay, so your writing work will be less if you will make the table like as I will show on the blackboard. In that way you have to make the tables and write down and these 6 example and solve it. Students, open your textbook page number 15, exercise. See, in exercise 6 examples are given. If we will solve separately, then you have to write more. Instead of that, you can make in this way table. Here numbers, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers you can write. And their answers you can write in front of the numbers. Okay. Here numbers, ascending order and descending order. If you will make table, it is so easy to you. Got? So first and fourth example I am going to explain because fourth example is little confusing. And this is, these 2 examples I will explain. You have to solve this full exercise in your notebook. Okay. First, before start, just tell me what is meant by ascending order. You have to write in short here. What is meant by ascending order? Smaller to bigger. You have to write this in the box. Okay. And descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay. Now first example. See what I have told, 4 digits are there in each number. So to understand bigger and smaller, first we have to compare thousand place. From this side, first one, here 2, 2, 2. So don't consider 2. Now 100 place. Here 3, 3, 3. Same digits, don't consider 100 place also. Now here 4, 4, 4. Again in tens place also all digits are same in all numbers, so don't consider tens place also. We will see units place. Here 5, here 9, here 7. Now tell me which is the smallest number? 5, 9, 7. In this, which is the smallest? 5 is smallest, so this is the smallest number. 2345, comma. Then this number we have written. Okay, so you can cut also, because to avoid your confusion. Okay, now these two are remaining. Okay, 9 and 7, which is the smaller? 7 is smaller, so write down this number as a middle number. 2347. Cut that number also. Now what is remaining? This one. 2349. It is called as ascending order. Once you got ascending order, it is so easy to write descending order. Exactly opposite. Okay, this is biggest number. Sorry, biggest number we have to write first. 2349, 2347, 2345. Okay. Now see fourth example. Little confusion because 109 only in each numbers. These digits are present. 109. So first consider thousand place. Here 1, 1, 1. Same digits, so don't consider thousand place. Now next, here 100, 100 and 100 place. Here 9, that means it is the biggest number. Okay, we have to write at last because here 9 and here 100 place 0, 0 is there. Then which is the smaller one in these two? Then at 100 place 0, 0. Now next place we will see. Here 0 and here 9. In tens place, in this number 0 is there. And in this number 9 is there. Then which is the smaller number? Of course this is. So this number you have to write first because it is smallest number. Now cut it. Okay. Now this B I have written first only because to avoid our confusion. So which is the middle number? This one. And biggest number in ascending order we have to write at last. Got? Yes. You can cut numbers also. Once you have written the number, you can cut it to avoid your confusion. Now what is meant by descending order? Biggest to smallest. Exactly opposite. So 1900, 1090, 1009. In this way, you have to complete this exercise in your notebook. So students, today's homework is from textbook page number 15. Solve exercise in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and study well.